This is 7 National News, and in our top story, the UAE Vice President, Prime Minister and ruler of Dubai, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, received Microsoft Chairman Bill Gates at Zabil Palace on Tuesday. The meeting was attended by Dubai's deputy ruler, Sheikh Maktoum bin Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, among other high-profile delegates. During the meeting, they reviewed the cooperation and partnership between Dubai Cares and the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, covering humanitarian fields and providing education and healthcare to children and students in poor countries. The ruler of Dubai praised Bill Gates and his initiative, as well as his financial contributions to lessen the suffering of those less fortunate, stating that here in the UAE, we have high respect for you as a great philanthropist. And additionally, on Tuesday, the UAE Vice President, Prime Minister and ruler of Dubai, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, received the Middle East City of the Future Award by FDI magazine, retaining the title for the third year running now. The award was given to the ruler of Dubai during a ceremony held at Zabil Palace by the Director General of the Dubai Department of Economic Development, Sami Dahen Al-Kamzi. Congratulating the DED team for the award, His Highness stated that the award reflects the attention given to our achievements by the media and global financial and business circles. His Highness General Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, the Abu Dhabi Crown Prince and Deputy Supreme Commander of the UAE Armed Forces, has pledged a donation of $120 million in support of global efforts to eradicate polio by 2018, with a specific contribution towards Afghanistan and Pakistan. The donation comes on the eve of the inaugural Global Vaccine Summit being held in Abu Dhabi, in partnership with the Abu Dhabi Crown Prince, the United Nations Secretary General Ban Ki-moon, and the co-chair of the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, Bill Gates. The summit brings together 300 global leaders and experts to endorse the critical role that vaccines and immunizations play, and will include additional financial pledges to support the Global Polio Eradication Initiative's 6-year plan. The Abu Dhabi Crown Prince stated that with global polio cases at a record low, the world has an historic opportunity to eradicate the disease within the next 6 years. Off the back of this, the 4th EMRO Vaccination Week, launched by the World Health Organization, started today and is running until the 30th of April. 2 entities in the UAE have partnered up to focus on raising awareness of rotavirus and the human papillomavirus, or HPV, that has been linked to cervical cancer. MSD in the UAE have partnered up with the Medi Clinic City Hospital to raise awareness on the importance of vaccinations across the country and the need for greater vaccination coverage. Figures show that around 2.2% of the UAE population suffer from cervical cancer, with an average of 50 to 55 UAE women dying each year as a result. Rotavirus, on the other hand, causes around 111 million cases of gastroenteritis globally every year, with as many as 10 out of every 100,000 UAE children under the age of 5 dying each year. On the upside, though, 2.2 million lives are saved through vaccinations. And MSD and Medi Clinic City Hospital officials are helping to spread awareness to save even more.
It's important to note that vaccination is not only for children. Vaccination is a process, is a journey that goes on throughout life, because at every stage in your life you need to take certain vaccines. And even for the elderly, there are certain vaccines that you need to take. So it's important to emphasize this concept of continuous vaccinations for everyone. And the more we're vaccinated, the more the herd immunity, the immunity of the community that we live in, is protecting us from these diseases. We're doing quite well in the region. We're improving over time. And I think that we collaborate, the private-public partnerships, is collaborating in terms of increasing the awareness for the needs of the vaccines. The health authorities are providing these vaccines in vaccine clinics and hospitals, making them available to children and to adults. And it's very important that we comply with the schedules of these vaccines, and we give our children these vaccines continuously.
It's estimated that 72 million people in the world are deaf or have some sort of hearing loss, and 12 out of every 1,000 hearing impaired individuals are under the age of 18. That's according to the World Deaf Federation. Here in the UAE, a two-day conference titled Hear My Voice, Understanding Hearing Loss was held to support special needs students. Concluding today, the event addressed the needs, challenges and opinions of hundreds of students that make up the country's hearing-impaired community. Event organisers, the Kalamati Speech and Communication Centre, answered burning questions from families, educators and healthcare professionals. There were no barriers of communication as lectures were carried out in 3 different languages: English, Arabic and, of course, sign language. Founder of the centre, Bidor Saeed Al-Rakbani, stated that her aim is to raise awareness and encourage acceptance and integration of children with hearing disabilities into mainstream schools and society as a whole. Industry insiders stressed that deaf students should have the right to attend high school as well as university, and that they should not be excluded or looked down upon. Rakbani has a 6-year-old daughter who is diagnosed with profound hearing loss, who she says is her motivation.
When I found out that my daughter had severe hearing loss, I was in the States and I went around looking at different centers, different organizations, and just looking at what's available. When I came back, I discovered that there was a lack of quality of services, especially targeting the deaf and hearing impaired. So after just visiting other organizations in the Arab world and even in the States, we came up with our center, Kalimati, which means my words in Arabic. And I just wanted to give something to the families, to give something to the families who I know would suffer like myself in terms of finding quality therapy services. And one of our initiatives as well is to raising awareness in the society, trying to give back to society. And this conference is proving this. We are concentrating on education. Deaf education is such a sensitive topic going on worldwide, not even just in the UAE. There are different methodologies, different concepts, different theories that go on with it. What we're trying to promote in this conference is to have a healthy discussion on what are the services and what are the practices that have been successful, and trying to see whatever organizations do attend, teachers, therapists, see what they could benefit from them, see what families would learn from them, see what even the deaf, as you've seen, we are quite overwhelmed with the amount of deaf who have attended the conference. We've heard that this is the first time they attend such a conference as well, and we're very happy to promote sign language during the conference in terms of translating in their own language. So we've provided sign language interpreters in Emirati Sign Language and as well as American Sign Language, so no one gets left out.
And running on the sidelines of the event was an art exhibition which had over 30 artworks created by the UAE's hearing impaired youth. And finally, looking to other news, for those wanting a short escape from the heat this weekend, why not head down to the Dubai Mall ice rink, where the Dubai Golden Cup International Figure Skating Championships kick off from this Thursday. The championships are being held under the patronage of His Highness Sheikh Mansour bin Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, sponsored by Al Habtoor Motors and organised by the Dubai Sports Council. Admission is free and will see athletes from over 20 countries, with a total of 220 skaters participating in the event, and is running until Saturday the 27th. Regulated by the International Skating Union, the skaters will perform 2 programmes, short and long. These include spins, jumps, moves in the field, throw jumps and death spirals. Skaters will perform solo, with a partner or in a group against others in similar categories.